are things that probably, we people don't go through. We don't have these tough, tight schedules, and of, traveling from one country to the other, and, hustling through the day. So if they are, doing that much work, they're giving so much effort, and they are, performing, they cannot be on a starving diet, for God's sake, because kahan se energy milega itna kaam karne ka. So it is about, eating sensibly, because of which they look great, and they are also able to put that energy into their work.
Yeah, absolutely. And I believe that whatever you grew up eating, your grandmother's nuskas, whichever part of the country you come from, whether it's the south of Italy, as your breakfast, or as we have grown up, people have grown up eating poha here in Mumbai, Maharashtra, whatever you eating, your bodies are used to that. And just go home food, clean food, and you'll see. Anything else that Munmun you'd like to add, and you'd like the viewers to know that possibly we haven't touched upon?
No, I think this was a great conversation. You are somebody who is like so inspiring. So just thank you.
On and on about food, and and I think the 4 most important points, guys, that we have touched upon today is breakfast, and Kunjar Kriya, which I learned from her, Yoga Nidra, which I learned from her, and I practice, and of course, khichdi as dinner. And also one last thing I do want to talk about is that intermittent fasting is really becoming very popular. People are going crazy, fasting for 16 hours, 18 hours, doing OMADs, which is, guys, for who all don't know, 1 meal a day. And I think it's crazy. I think starving your body, and in general, if you eat your early dinner and you eat your first meal, you end up doing a 12-hour window, which is like a circadian rhythm. What is your take on intermittent fasting? Let's hear this one, and then we'll.
So intermittent fasting, there are so many ways. Okay, firstly, तो एक trend आया ये बोल के कि it's the way that all the sages and Rishi Muni used to live long, and they used to fast, and all those things. So like every trend starts, उसके कई रूप आ जाते हैं. So there was like a 5:2 intermittent fasting. कि 5 days आप fast करो, 2 दिन खाओ, and this one which you said, honestly, this is the first time I'm hearing this OMAD thing that you said.
OMAD is such a common thing. I'm putting on OMAD. So what people do is that they eat lunch. I have people around me who do it, and I keep telling them, you are forcing your body, you're weakening your system, एक मील पे आदत डाल दिया तो बाद में जब वेट कम करना होगा, बॉडी को क्या दोगे? पानी. So they load that one meal. Like, load means the entire calorie, possibly 1500 calories in that one meal, and then they'll have lunch to lunch.
My God.
Like doing dinner when you eat that much, and then when you wake up in the morning, you can run on your green tea and coffee for a while till your lunch.
My God.
Yeah, it's really.
It sounds scary. What I'll just say that, I can just say that, we have complicated food way too much. We have complicated health way too much. The thing that I promote, and which you do, I do, everyone we know around, like people I work with, we do, is this is the circadian rhythm diet, which again, if you just remove the name, कि भाई ये नाम ये है, but अगर आप अंदर से उसको देखो, it's a very natural way of eating. सुबह उठो, जल्दी उठो, खाओ, and शाम को सूरज ढलने तक finish कर दो. I mean, it's the most, natural way of eating, क्योंकि, in the days of yore, when we had no electricity, this is how we used to eat.
Right.
जब light नहीं थी, बिजली नहीं थी, this is how people used to eat. That, we didn't have inverters, generators, and all those things. So यही हुआ करता था that everybody used to have an early dinner and then go to bed early. So even the Jains, like the community, Jain community, they still eat like that.
Yeah.
Of course, I have a lot of clients who tell me कि यार आजकल हमारे बच्चे ऐसा नहीं खाते, but हम तो ऐसा ही खाते थे, and all those things. But this is generally how Jain community used to eat. Even the Chinese medics believe that our energy, even life energy.
Even in the West, they have supper at 6:30. Like whether we follow everything else, we follow the junk food from the West, but we don't follow their timings. They eat dinner at 6:30. Table reservations start at 5 p.m. for dinner in places. Even US 6:37 is your dinner time. And that's something I think we must definitely incorporate, because I think as we eat very late dinners.
we eat very late dinners and then we somehow feel that हम इतने मतलब worthy हैं कि हमने सारा दिन काम किया है, so we need to have some alcohol also, and अभी रात को अभी तो मतलब we are working so hard to earn, and then अभी कमाया है तो how can we not treat ourselves right? So they will sit with a glass of scotch, and they will have all kinds of food because they feel they deserve it. But all I can say is that only if you treat your body right, you will be able to work for more longer years. अगर हम लंबी रेस का घोड़ा बनना है और ज्यादा लंबा काम करना है, then you need to work on your health. And the reasons why we see so many people in the industry, like I'm talking about the film industry, who are really इतने एज होने के बाद भी they are working, it's because they have taken care of your health they have taken care of their health through the years.
I think in times like this, the most important aspect is taking care of our health, because the only place we live in is our body. So on this note, I hope guys you all start your 2022 on this healthy note. Forget all the binging that you did through Christmas and New Year's, and let's hope, we both hope that you all have a great healthy kickstart to 2022 and you're able to make these changes. Start with little, start with one change at a time, and I hope that you see a difference.
Yes, and it's not actually what you do between the Christmas to New Year. It's actually what you do from New Year to Christmas.
Absolutely. So congratulations once again, Munmun, on your book. And guys, whoever, please order Yukt Ahar, the belly and the brain diet, and bring in these changes in your life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's lovely talking to you.
Bye.
Bye.